We have a 1992. It's old. And it's good looking. Harley Davidson Electroglide Sport. Bangs through all the gears, no problem. It just cruises. It's very impressive. It's bikes like this that give Harley the good name that they have. And I'll tell you what, this bike runs pretty good. It's very impressive for an older bike. It's got to be pretty cool to roll up to a place where everyone's riding, you know, 2000s and fairly new stuff, and you have a 1992. Who is even alive in 92? Not Caleb. Not Caleb. It's a good riding bike. I just had this, had the carb tuned up at the Harley Davidson dealership, and they were pretty impressed with how clean this thing was. Man, I'm impressed with how good this bike runs. After the bridge, we'll let it loose a little bit. Open up some of them ponies. You got your high beams, low beams, neutral, whatever button that is, turn signal button, horn.